Hello friends, this is Emma from dreamdegreeabroad.com. In this video, I will tell you how to apply through ZheJiang University's main portal. In the last video, I told you how to fill out the CSE application form. You can also find its link in the description. So I will guide you step by step application process. So please watch till the end. So this is the ZheJiang University's main portal. Here you need to enter your email and password. After putting verification code, click on sign up, then you will receive a link in your email. After clicking on it, you will need to enter your information to log in. I have already done this previously. So now I will just log in and proceed my application. Clicking on login. Okay. So here click on start new application, but I have already started an application. Then I will click on continue to apply. There are 4 steps. Step 1 program type, step 2 choose a major, step 3 application form, and step 4 upload files. We will fill all these steps. So first is program type. In this section you select the type of degree you are applying for. Next, application instructions for postgraduate programs must read by yourself. Click on the next step. So after clicking the next page, step 2 will open. A list of programs is provided here. You can select any program of your choice. I am selecting international trade here. Click on apply. Here you need to provide your basic information. So enter your passport details here. Do you have a passport? Click on yes because you must have passport. Personal information, family name, given name according to your passport. Upload file of your passport, your first full name, passport number, passport expiry date, and next personal information, your gender, date of birth, nationality, date and year of acquiring citizenship, and then a country, region, name in Chinese characters if applicable, but it is not mandatory. City of birth, enter your city of birth. Marital status, enter religion, height, current occupation, current employer, state of health, native language, highest academic degree obtained, final education, diploma obtained or to obtain. Will you be able to obtain the bachelor's master's degree before the enrollment at our school? So click on yes. Next, move to the next page. You have to fill out all these sections. After filling the basic information, there is education and work experience. So here, first of all, is language skills. Chinese proficiency, good. If no, then click on no. HSK level, English proficiency test, IELTS, TOEFL or other. Enter your mark, other languages, if any. Next is educational experience. Educational background must be filled in from senior high school. Learning time, enter your learning time, institution, country, your level of study, field of study, diploma obtained. If you want to add new, then you can add. Have you ever studied in universities, colleges in mainland of China? Click on no. Are you in China now? No. Work experience, do you have any work experience? If yes, then click on yes. And then you have to enter their details. Time, employer, working engaged, title, posts held. I am clicking on no. Then representative published papers. If you have any, then enter the details here, but these are not mandatory. Next, now move to the next page. Now, in other information, first is family background. Enter the details of your father, like nationality, date of birth, name. Does your father currently hold or has ever held Chinese nationality or citizenship? Then click on no. Employment, mobile number, etc. Enter employment, address, relationship of mother. And now you have to enter the detail of your mother, like nationality, date of birth, name, same things as like your father. Then move to the next page. Next is contact information. First, you have to enter permanent address, your email, country, city, mobile number, postal code, and address. And then current contact information like country, city, mobile number, postal code, and address. The next, guarantor in China. Do you have a guarantor in China? Click on no. If yes, then click on yes. Financial guarantor, name of financial guarantor, guarantor address, mobile number, email address, relationship with applicant and organization. Next is recommended agency. Do you have a recommending organization? Click on no and move to the next. Now confirm your study plan in your selected course and instruction language. Then click on next page. Do you want to apply for scholarship for a doctor's master's degree? Yes, because you are applying for scholarship. Next is type of scholarship. So click on Chinese government scholarship because we are applying for Chinese government scholarship. If you are applying for ZheJiang government scholarship, then click on ZheJiang government scholarship. You can click on both. Next is if you fail to obtain any scholarship, are you willing to be a self-supporting student? Click on no. If you want to click on yes, then you can do it. Move to the next step. In step 4, you need to upload your document files like your diploma, academic records, academic records of postgraduate programs, undergraduate programs, recommendation letter of 3 referees. You have to upload their files. Personal statement, it is all these are mandatory, but next are not mandatory, like HSK certificate, English proficiency, form of provisional acceptance. These are not mandatory. Application form of CSC scholarship. CSC applicants only. If you are applying for CSC scholarship, then you have to upload this file. All these are mandatory. After uploading them, you should preview your application and then you can submit it. In this way, you have to enter your correct information. So this is how you fill out the ZheJiang University application form. If you are applying through Type B, you must apply on both portals, CSC portal and university's main portal. You can find CSC application process in the description. So that's all friends. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website dreamdegreeabroad.com to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.